In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the layout on mobile. So as you can see here, on mobile, you see two toggles for map and for list. If you click on list, it looks like this. And if you click on map, it looks like this. You can still click on any location and see the pop-up details. But what about if you want just to see the map on mobile? You are able to do it if you go to the Store Locator page in Shopify, then go to Settings, Appearance, and then here you scroll until you find App Layout on Mobile. And here you can click on No Store List, just Map View, and then click Save. Then here on your mobile, you refresh and you don't see the toggle anymore, so the user can see just the map. Remember that this just applies to the mobile version. So finally, let's add it again. Let's save. And let's add an image. We go to General, we search for Store Images, and we activate. And we save. Remember that this applies to desktop and mobile, but the purpose of this is to show you how it will look like the store list with an image in mobile. So here you see the map, you see the list view, and you see the list with the images. That's it.